This is why you need to know about zebras. They're way more fascinating than you ever imagined. Ready to get your mind blown? First off, did you know every zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, just like a fingerprint? No two zebras look the same. And those stripes, they're not just for show. Scientists believe they help keep pesky bugs away and even confuse hungry predators. Another cool fact, zebras actually sleep standing up. Plus, they're super social animals living in big groups called harems. Oh, and if you ever hear a zebra, it sounds more like barking or braying than neighing. So, next time you spot a zebra, remember, there's way more to them than just their awesome stripes. Smash that like button if you learned something cool.